I think it's really, really helpful to us, and especially to me as a legislator. I am on the Health and Human Services Committee, and I am the chair of behavioral health. So being able to talk to some of the health providers and the hospital association people helps us to get to understand what we're each trying to do to kind of make Virginia better.
I am a student at Old Dominion University, and I am studying to be a family nurse practitioner. I've been a bedside nurse for the past 3 years. So the benefit of today is to be able to come in and talk with those that help put the policies that I'm practicing into place. They're important to me, and I want to advocate for my patients and for my fellow colleagues.